this video, I will show you step by step how we made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic, okay? Without investing any money. I will share with you guys step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. I will share with you my method and how I found profitable affiliate links to get a lot of commission and so much more, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end if you don't want to miss this information that I will share with you for free. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $7,510 in commission in this month available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will still get more. It can be up to 10k per month, okay? Anyways, so for people who are interested and they want to start affiliate marketing business without investing any money in paid ads, so what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? What you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, okay? Go to community over here. Let me show you. Go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay? You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see, okay? What you need to do, just click on join now, okay? And here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and it's super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, okay? And you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, okay? So what you will do next, you need to choose good and profitable services that people are searching for on YouTube, okay? So how we can find good services and profitable services that people are searching for on YouTube, okay? So you need to go to your YouTube homepage, okay? So first, why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links? Let me show you. So did you know that YouTube has 33 billion monthly visitors? Millions of people are using YouTube, scrolling on YouTube, searching for services, products, tutorials, and so much more, okay? So that's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. 33 billion monthly visitors. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, okay? After Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. That's why I choose YouTube. I don't need to invest any money in paid ads. I can get free traffic from YouTube, okay? So you just need to know how to do it, okay? So anyways, so what you will do, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to grow your YouTube, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel fast, how to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers. Those people who are searching for those topics, let me show you. So those people who are searching for how to grow your YouTube channel, you will go back. So go back to Fiverr, click on the search for YouTube channel growth manager, okay? On Fiverr, there are a lot of people who are expert. They have a long and a good experience. They know exactly how to grow YouTube channels, okay? Go to Fiverr, search for YouTube channel growth manager, scroll down. You can find a lot of people here who are providing this service, okay? Those people will help those people who are searching for how to grow YouTube channels to grow on YouTube. Okay, it's super easy. So that's why I always say you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for. Okay, so that's why I choose this service. Okay, a lot of people are using YouTube. A lot of people just started YouTube. Those people who are new to YouTube, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. That's what I do. This is the method that I'm doing to promote my affiliate links on YouTube and earn a lot of commission. I'm sharing this with you guys for free. Okay, so anyways, so after you search for YouTube channel growth manager, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do, let's check this one.
To the next level. Send me your channel link now. Thank you.
This one looks really good. He is top rated seller, but let's scroll down. Let me see if we can find a good one. So like this. So let me see. You can find a lot of people here who are providing this service. Okay, so for example, let's see.
Are you a small YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Do you spend a lot of time and energy making videos, but don't see any organic growth and you don't know why? Hey, I'm here to help. My name
This one is looking really good. He's providing his service on Fiverr with a video, which is really good. Okay, and he has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his video. Okay, I will click on his service. Just click on his service. This seller is top rated seller. So what you will do, go to his profile page, click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Click on his link. Okay, copy his profile link like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, this seller.
Are you a small YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Do you spend a lot of...
This one is really looking good. Double click on his video, click on save video. Okay, and you need to save this video to your laptop. Grow, I will name this video grow YouTube. Okay, save. After you finish, okay, go to Google, search for Canva. Okay, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Okay, click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video. Okay,
Are you a small YouTuber?
this one looks good. Open, click on the video again, and your
Are you a
video
small
will be
YouTuber
over here.
struggling to grow
Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, click on set video as background. Okay, like this. Click on text. Okay, and scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, I will use this one. Click on this text like this, and your text will be over here. Click on this part. I will delete this one and make this text small like this. Double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Okay, check link in description. So people who will watch this video, they will see this sentence, check link in description. They will check your description on YouTube, and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. It's super easy. Okay, click on your text. You can click over here on effect, click on outline, and click on color. and choose black color if you want to make this text looking good. Check link in description, and that's it. Okay, let me see.
Are you a small YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Do you spend a lot of time and energy making videos but don't see any organic growth and you don't know why? Hey, I'm here to help. My name is Cana and I'm a full-time YouTuber. My Russian channel is called Zik Sheremetyev, and since I
This one is really looking good. I will click over here on share. Click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel and upload this video. Put this keyword. Okay, so first, how to grow your YouTube. Use this keyword, the exact keyword that people are using to search for those topics. Use the same keywords. Don't change anything or add anything. Just put this keyword in your title. Okay, so your video can rank in the first page for people who are searching for how to grow your YouTube channel. They will find your video on YouTube and they will see this. Let me show you. They will watch your video, they will see check link in description. They will check your description and you will put your affiliate link on your YouTube description. Okay, and people who will click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. If they click on continue and they buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And you will not earn commission just one time. You will keep earning commission for every new one who will buy a service from your affiliate link. Not just every new peoples. Also, you can keep making getting commission from the same person who will buy a service again and again. Okay, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using. That's how I make money with affiliate marketing. I use free traffic from YouTube. I search for topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, this is the method, guys. It's super easy. If you don't know, guys, how you can put affiliate links on your description and how you can upload a video to your YouTube, I will leave a link in my description below. Okay, check this video in my description below, showing you step by step how you can add your affiliate links on your YouTube description and how you can upload this video to your YouTube description. Okay, so you just need to start. That's it. You don't need to invest any money. You will not lose anything. Okay, you will just invest your time and that's it. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. If you have any question, just leave it in the description in my just leave a question in the comments and I will answer all your question in my next video.